mainly used for packing meat, seafood, clean vegetables, and cooked foods. Compared to traditional vacuum pump equipment, this model's gas flush design can achieve the required gas percentage in the tray faster, and all moving mechanisms are driven by servo motors, eliminating the noise caused by the cylinders while consuming no gas mode. The maximum production capacity is 12 cycles per minute. This is the operation screen. System language supports customizing. The parameters of different PRUs can be recorded and called up to program, without having to set them every time. The dismantling of the mold is very convenient, and clear schematic diagram is attached. After simple training, a single operator can complete the dismantling within 5 minutes. With the rapid development of food packaging technology, applying M.A.P machines to food preservation can greatly extend the product shelf life, lock in the nutritional components, and retain natural flavor of food. When switching to normal mode, seal only, the maximum production capacity is 15 cycles per minute. This packaging machine can connect to other digit products, such as HC800 series, LI5600 series, DMD method